Another unboxing from the Watch Mofo. Let's see what we got. It should be from AliExpress, and if I'm not mistaken, even though I ordered 4 watches, this one should be the San Martin. I heard so much about them, meant to be top quality for the price. So let's see what all the fuss is about. Unboxing. Doesn't know how to open the box. Hulk smash. Okay. It's a box in a box. What did it give me? Oh yeah, okay. Extra. What is that? Oh, the little tool thing. What's that in there? Oh, cool. It's a little miniature dog tag. That's not what I ordered, but that is kind of cool. Anyway, yeah, didn't come to see that. Oh damn, it is San Martin. It actually does say it on the dog tag. Ta-da! This will be my first San Martin. I've got probably over 100 watches. I heard so much about these. I've got homage watches. I've got, you know, mainstream names. Let's see what we got here. Oh, hell yeah. San Martin. Warranty card? A round one? That's cool. These are now going to be my cup coasters. Can you see that? Yeah. Booklet in case you don't know how to use a watch. Right. Oh wow. Oh damn. The case itself is like leather, or leatherette at least. That feels really good. Oh. Holy moly. I don't know how this is coming off on camera. I don't know if the lighting's any good. This. Woo! Holy moly. Holy moly. This is amazing. It's a green ball. Ah, yeah. I mean, the watch. Yeah, boy. It's probably not even focusing, is it? There you go. Milled. It's got a nice weight to it. It really does. I'm gonna have to get all of this plastic off and see what the actual quality is like. Talk amongst yourselves. Right, let's see what we've got. This was from the AliExpress sale, and it was around the £150 region, as I am in the UK. I'll fight with the plastic off screen. Anyway, so back to the actual watch. It's not gonna turn, is it? Because it's got the plastic on. Damn it! Should be powered by the Seiko NH35 as per usual. It's got that Tudor style into it. I don't have a spare £4,000 to chuck at a Tudor. But if I did, I would get the Tudor silver version. Not stainless steel, the actual silver one. I think it's got a lot of character and it's absolutely gorgeous. In the meantime, I'll stick to this and I'll get the plastic off screen because it's a fucking nightmare. Yeah, so this is the unboxing. You get this lovely San Martin watch. I'm gonna have to mess around with it off screen. I don't even know if you can see it properly on the camera. Hello. Even the little travel case is superb, and a little cute ass doggy tag. Doggy. Awesome. Thanks, guys.